In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from Uphold to your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully move your digital assets securely and efficiently between these two platforms. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the app is launched, you will find yourself on the home screen. Here, locate and click on the option labeled Receive. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can choose the network for the transfer. Select the appropriate network for the cryptocurrency you intend to send. For example, if you are transferring Solana, ensure that you select Solana from the available options. After choosing the network, you will see your wallet address displayed prominently. Click on the option to copy your wallet address to your clipboard. It is essential to verify that the chosen network matches the cryptocurrency you will be sending. Next, open the Uphold application on your device. Upon launching Uphold, log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to your crypto portfolio by selecting the appropriate option from the main menu. In your portfolio, locate and select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send to your Phantom wallet. To initiate the transfer, click on the Send or Withdraw button, which you will find within the details of the selected cryptocurrency. After clicking this option, you will be prompted to choose the crypto network. Make sure to select the same network you previously used in Phantom. Then paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the designated field. Now, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. After typing the amount, take a moment to review both the network selection and the wallet address to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm that all details are accurate, proceed to confirm the transaction. This action will initiate the transfer process. After the transfer is completed, you will need to wait for confirmation on the blockchain. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your Phantom wallet can vary based on the network used. For Solana, this usually takes only a few seconds. If you are sending Ethereum, expect a wait of a few minutes. For Bitcoin, the transfer may take longer depending on the number of confirmations required on the network. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.